Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Mufaris. I'm from Seoul University. Today I would like to tell a story entitled A Castle in the Mountain. People always say a mountain are scary to hike, too cold, too exotic, and honestly they are right, but somehow that's exactly why I love them. I started when a friend randomly said, Bro, let's hike this weekend. At first, I thought they were joking because none of us were a professional hikers. We were just a teenager surviving on ice, a coffee, late night scoring, and a zero sleep. But one was led to another, and suddenly we were picking instant noodles, power bank, and a hoodie like we were about to survive an apocalypse. The mountain looked Hook when we arrived, like in Hook standing there at the bottom made me feel so small. The air was colder than expected, and the fog slowly over the trail ahead for a second, and wondered why I even agreed to do this. My bed at home suddenly got way more attractive, but we start a climb anyway. These first few hours were fun. We laughed at and everything. One of everything's every 10 minutes, another kept asking, "Are we worth it?" Like a little kid on a rope trip, we took random pictures, recorded dramatic video from Instagram stories, and attack like the main character in an adventure movie. Then I really hit. The higher we climb, the harder it got. My legs are very heavy and my back hurt, and biking became a full-time job. The trail was asleep, moody, and endless. At one point, I literally said on a rock and said, I can't do this anymore. No joke, I was ready to give up. But the crazy thing about a mountain is they teach you something without speaking. Every step felt impossible until I was alone. Every time I thought I had reached my limit, somehow I kept going slowly, tired, accomplishing non-stop, but still moving. Night came faster than expected. The temperature dropped hard, and the wind felt like I was personally attacking us. We set up the while struggling with a frozen finger. Dinner was the instant noodle. But I swear I stayed here like a 5 years meal. Maybe because everything felt special when you're excited and surrounded by a people you care about. Then come the best part. Around 4 a.m. We woke up to continue hiking toward the summit. The world was a completely dark except for a tiny flashlight become from the only hiker of use it looking like star moving on the mountain. I was half asleep freezing and questioning every life decision that brought me there. But when we finally reached the top, wow, no phone, no camera, a caught a capture and properly the sunrise slowly painted the sky with orange, pink, and gold. Clouds afloat below you like an ocean. For the first time in a long time, everything felt quiet. No out notification, no stress, no pressure to reply fast or a pretend to be okay. Just my friends, and the sky. And most neatly, that moment had something. I realize life is a kind of like a climbing a mountain. Sometimes you feel lost, tired, or stuck. Sometimes the journey hard more than you expect. But if you keep on moving, even slowly, actually you reach a point where you can look back and say, "Damn, I really made it." The mountain I didn't a magic shell solve my problem. I still had assessment waiting at home. I still overeating and night. I still don't know what I'm doing with my future half the time. But standing above the cold made me realize that maybe it's about having everything figured out. Maybe it's just about continuing the climb even when it's hard. And honestly, I think that's a no. Since the trip, a mountain feel different to me. They not just a place of rock and dirt anymore. They remember that a grow is comfortable, is in rare and the best view actually come after the harder climb. Would I do it again? Absolutely. Even if my legs say no. Thanks for listening.